Hi, I'm Mark Schieldrop from AAA Northeast. So it's the time of year we love to have a clean car, but the traditional driveway wash uses so much water. Well, there's a way to get your car sparkling clean with using virtually no water. It's called waterless car washing, and I'm going to show you how. Typical garden hose uses about 10 gallons of water a minute. With this system, you're using basically none. So from a distance, my car looks pretty clean already, but if you look closely, you'll see that thin film of dirt that accumulates. That's where waterless car washing is really effective. So to get started, you just need your cleaner and lots of microfiber cloths. So for the cleaner, do your research, look online, read reviews, and make a decision. Just make sure that it's something designed for waterless car washing and safe for automotive finishes. And to get started, it's really easy. You simply spray, and then using a clean section of your cloth, just give it a wipe. And every time you wipe, you make sure you're using a clean section of cloth. And that's the critical thing. You don't want to grind that dirt into your paint, and that's what happens if you keep using the same cloth over and over and over. So this method is pretty time consuming, so pace yourself and do one panel at a time. And remember that your car may need to go through an automatic car wash or get the traditional driveway cleaning before you do the waterless car wash method. Waterless car washing really isn't ideal when you've got caked on mud or bugs or tar or those types of things on your paint. So you're going to want to get those removed before you do the waterless car wash method. So it's really important that you use these microfiber cloths. An old rag or a t-shirt just won't cut it. First of all, these are much safer on your paint and much more gentle. And the way the system works is that the cleaner lifts the dirt off the surface of the paint, and the microfibers in this cloth then lift the dirt right off. Waterless car washing is a hands-on way to get great results, and if done properly, won't damage your paint. And best of all, it's so much better for the environment. So the next time your car needs a good cleaning, consider the waterless method.